Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make barbecued corn on the cob. So what I do is I start with a big container. You could do it in the sink too, but I like to use a big container. So I take my turkey roaster and I fill that up with water. And then I'm going to take the corn and I'm going to go ahead and just, for now, I'm going to twist off the excess corn silk. And I'm going to stick that piece into my water. I'm going to do that with each one of these. You want to do this so that when you're barbecuing it, you don't catch the corn husks on fire. Otherwise, you will have that issue. Also, it helps to steam the corn, which makes it taste better. And when I'm done, I clean the rest of the corn silk off, when I'm done barbecuing it. So, I'm going to make 6 of these here. And I just keep the husks on the corn, and I just soak these. You want to soak these in the water, and they kind of float. So, if you can weight them down, that works great. If you can't, just keep turning them every so often. You want to soak these probably at least an hour. And then you're going to take them out to the barbecue, and I will show you how to do that when we come back to this after it's soaked for an hour. All right. If you're going to make some barbecued meat to go with this, then what you want to do is you probably want to get your meat out about the same time as this corn. That way, your meat can come up to the room temperature, and at that point, when you're done with that and you put it on the grill, you have an idea about how much longer. This corn takes about 15 minutes. So after you get it onto the grill. All right, we'll come back to you in a little bit. So I just took my turkey roaster lid and put it in upside down here to help hold that corn in so it will completely soak. Anything else might work too, but this is what I use. Hello everyone. So now I've taken my corn, I brought it outside. It's still in my pot right here. It's been soaking for a little over an hour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that on to my grill, and I'm going to put them there like this. I need to turn that one on too. It's going to be a medium temperature, and then I'm just going to go ahead and close that up and let it cook for 5 minutes. At which point I'm going to come out and I'm going to turn it, and I will cook it for another 5 minutes. And then we'll turn it and cook it for another 5 minutes. It takes about 15 minutes to cook this up. And so then when I'm done, I'll come back out and get them off of the grill. Okay, so I went ahead and I've turned these. You see how you just want to turn them enough that when you've turned them 3 times, you will have cooked all the way around the corn. So what I did was it was here, and I just went ahead and turned it that much. And then when you turn it the next time, you will turn it again on this piece that's not cooked. And then you're going to go for 5 minutes on each one. I just close the lid and continue to cook them. We'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to turn this again. See how that's blackening up? All right, it's nice and hot. Whew. I'm going to get on that side that didn't get cooked. All right, come over to these, same thing. Flip them over. All right. Then we're going to close this, and we're going to cook them for another 5 minutes, and we'll come back to them. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're all finished. Just go ahead and get your tongs and take them off. Put them on a plate. There's a plate over here. Make it easier. All right. And then you can leave them on that plate when you bring it in the house while you carve up your meat. And then, at that point, you can go ahead and take off the husks and the silk, and I will show you how to do that when I go in. Okay, so I'm back in the house now, and I've let these cool for a little bit so I don't burn my hands too bad, hopefully. Trying to peel them. I usually take a paper towel to hold on to the actual corn because the corn is very hot. So just take it and you can wipe it down like that. And then you just hold on to it and kind of pull these husks off. When you're done, it's going to look like this. It's real simple, and you're ready to go eat it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again real soon.